am here at my mother's store today because I'm the one who will taking care of her store because she's in the town. She's buying some food, some stocks for tomorrow. Yeah. Kaya ako muna ang magbabantay ng kanyang tindahan. Actually, hindi na marami yung mga paninda kasi medyo late na or patanghali na siya. So, kunti na lang yung mga panindang na iwan dito. So, kailangan kong maubos to. Kailangan ko mabenta to lahat. Kasi wala akong sasahurin. Charis! Sasahurin! So, ayan. I'm gonna show you her paninda. So, ito na lang yung natirang paninda niya. This is pansit. The pansit, lumpia, and the eggplant. The eggplant is ginataan siya with coconut. It looks yummy. Pinaksiw muna niya at ginataan. And lumpia, yan na lang yung mga niluto niya. Kailangan ko mabenta yan lahat today. And this is the bread. The bread. And we have here bulad. Dried fish. Dried fish. Since I didn't eat my breakfast, I'm gonna eat now my breakfast, guys. Look at my food. Lots of rice. So let's eat, everybody. So again, it's sold out. Look at that. No more na paninda. So we're going home now. Thank you so much, everyone. See you again on my next live. Bye.